Hello, and welcome to this video, where I will be showcasing how to test the Ready Model for gesture detection using the PSOC6 AI evaluation kit. I have the board set up right in front of me here, attached to a tripod for stability. It is connected simply to my laptop with a USB-C cable. It is important to note that for having the correct orientation, you need to have the USB-C ports downwards and the LEDs out towards you. Furthermore, the rightmost USB-C port, labeled J1, is the one you use for flashing. As you see in the bottom right here, I have a serial terminal open, TeraTerm specifically, but any serial terminal interaction will work. I first have to set up the connection to my board, going in and creating a new connection on the correct COM port. Then I have to go in to the serial port and select the correct settings, which is a speed of 115,200, data of 8-bit, parity none, stop bits of 1, and flow control of none. Upon setting up these settings, I'm now connected to the board. In order to flash it, I'm using Modus Toolbox Programmer, where at the top it'll automatically have detected my board, but if it doesn't, you can go in and select the programmer as such and the board there. Then simply go in and select the hex file for the board. If you got this model from our website, that will have been sent out in an email, and make sure to specifically choose the one labeled PSOC6 AI Eval Kit. Then I need to only connect and program. And the model is now flashed onto the board. Going back to TeraTerm, we see that it has printed out a confirmation statement and that a heartbeat is currently active, indicating that the model is running. So let's try it out. I'm going to push, I'm going to swipe left, swipe right, swipe up, and swipe down. Those are all the 5 gestures detected by the model, and as you see, it worked quite well. Hopefully, you can easily try out the model for yourself now. Thank you for listening.